This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to view your temporary Chime card details. If you've just signed up for a Chime account and are waiting for your physical card to arrive, you're in the right place. Having access to your temporary card details can be incredibly helpful, especially if you want to start using your account right away for online shopping or digital payments. To begin, you'll want to have your Chime app ready on your device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure you do so via the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. This is where you can adjust various preferences and, importantly, access your card details. After you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the option that says View Your Card. This is the key to uncovering your temporary card information. Tap on it, and just like that, your card details will appear on your screen. Now that you have your card information displayed, you can use it for online transactions. Whether you're purchasing something from your favorite online store or setting up a digital payment, these details will allow you to do so seamlessly until your physical card arrives. It's a convenient way to keep your financial activities moving without delay. One thing to keep in mind is the importance of keeping your card details secure. Even though this is a temporary card, it still holds the same responsibility as any other financial information. Make sure you don't share these details with anyone you don't trust, and be mindful of where you input your card information online. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can start using your Chime account to its full potential even before your physical card makes its way to you. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with having your temporary card details at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.